Hello everybody, today we are going to talk about relational operators. What are relational operators? Well, as always we will concentrate on the name, relational operator. It means that this operator operates on variables expressions by checking what relation is between them, right? So, if I have two variables, for example, int a equals 10, int b equals 5, and I want to see how they are related to each other. So for example, if they are equal, I need to use relational operators. When we want to check if two variables are equal, we should do something like that. Cout a equal sign b and add line. Two equal signs are representing equality in the C++ language. Remember that one equal sign is reserved for assigning values to variables. Remember about the difference because you might make many mistakes because of that, okay? And now I will try to compile, but as you can see, we have error here. You know, that angle brackets here are also operators, and now our compiler is confused. As in the mathematics, to solve problems like that, we should use parentheses. So I will add parentheses here, and now compiler will know what to do, and I will compile it. And as you can see, our result is 0. Why? The result of relation operation is always 0 or 1. 1 is representing, like in bool variable, true. 0 is representing false. So we've just got informed by that 0 in the console output that value of variable a is not equal to value of variable b, right? Because our result was 0, right? Okay, so we can use that 0 or 1 informations later by using something what is called conditional statements, but we'll talk about them later in other lessons. Right now, let's talk about all relational operators. So this guy is true when both variables have the same value. Now let's talk about that guy. I will copy that. We are using instead of 1 equal sign exclamation mark, and exclamation mark is just saying that it is not equal, right? So it is true when both variables do not have the same value. Let's compile it, and as you can see, it's true because 10 is not equal to b, so it's true. Okay, now let's talk about that guy, and it is true when value of variable a is greater than value of variable b. So in our situation it should be true, right? As you can see, we have 1 here, so everything is okay. Now next guy, a. So this is true when value of variable b is greater than value of variable a, right? So this should be 0, and as you can see, everything works fine. Now let's find out that guy, and when value a is greater than or equal and here is that to value of variable b. Okay, so it's okay, it should be true. If that variables were equal, it will be true also. Okay, now that guy, so b is greater than or equal to value of variable a. So it should be, in our situation, false. We can also use exclamation mark to change value from true to false. So from 1 to 0 or 0 to 1. And to do it, we should do something like that, for example. I will add exclamation mark here, and now I will say if that guy here, if that result is 0, change it to 1. If it's 1, change it to 0. So in our situation, A is not equal to B, so that guy will be true. Okay. So that notation is the same as that guy. Okay, that's all in the lesson. Thank you very much.